The question is this: can LinkedIn really help us find a job? I'm going to answer that question right now. Yes, I guess LinkedIn could help you find a job, but you're not looking for a job. And by the way, if I click over here and I go select jobs, you'll see that there are 556,273 jobs on LinkedIn. That's a bunch of jobs that you could scroll through, search through, look through, and apply for, and hope and pray that you get a job. But I'm here to tell you that that's not the best way to use LinkedIn. The best way to use LinkedIn is with a set of tactics and processes that can help you find a conversation that can lead you to the job. Big difference. A job versus the job. And I really hope you get past the desperation of looking for a job and get purposeful about finding, again, a conversation that can lead to the job. And the job is the one that is the most relevant to you, the job that you really want to have, the job that will really give you the rewards that you deserve for yourself, the job. Now, how do you use LinkedIn to uncover conversations that could lead to the job? Well, this is what you do. First and foremost, you build a LinkedIn profile. You build a professional LinkedIn profile that tells the viewer who you are, what you do, what you want to do, and you also share with them through the text throughout your entire LinkedIn profile what you enjoy doing. That will position you way better than everyone else who has a LinkedIn profile that sort of kind of looks more like their resume, which sort of kind of looks like an ongoing obituary. Let me repeat. Step one to uncover the job would be to have a LinkedIn profile that is clearly written, telling your target audience who you are, what you do, what you can do, what you want to do, and what you enjoy doing throughout the entire LinkedIn profile. The second thing you do is you build your LinkedIn network. You keep growing your LinkedIn network. You start where you are, connect with people you know, people you meet along the way, people you get introduced to, and then you look for ways to get introduced to those that you want to talk with who may have ideas about the job. And you keep growing your LinkedIn network, because the more you grow your LinkedIn network, the easier it is for you to become introduced to the people you want to have a conversation with. The easier it is for people that you want to see your LinkedIn profile, for them to see your LinkedIn profile. So number two, you got to keep growing your LinkedIn network. Now, again, using LinkedIn to achieve a conversation with the right person about the job. The next thing you do is you engage. You be willing to show up on LinkedIn, and you be willing to share posts, make comments, and maybe share a video, image, events, document. You get into conversations. You either start highly relevant conversations that are relevant to who you are, what you want, and what you want to do, or relevant to the job you're looking for, or the industry you're looking to play in, even the company you're looking to have conversations with their people. But you be willing to get into conversations. You either start them or get into conversations that other people have started that are, again, relevant to your goals, relevant to what it is you want to do. Look, everybody else is banging on the jobs tab, just like they are on LinkedIn, on Simply Hired, Monster, Career Builder, Indeed, et cetera, et cetera. Everybody else is doing that. Stop doing that. Okay, because the majority of the jobs that are out there that are more relevant to the job you want to get is not hidden under these job boards. The most important job, the job that you sincerely want to have, is hidden behind someone that you haven't met yet. So grow your LinkedIn network, get introduced to people you want to talk with, and you may discover the job. Build your LinkedIn profile out very clearly, telling the viewer who you are, what you do, what you want to do, what you enjoy doing. Grow your network on a regular basis and look for ways to get into conversations. That is how you use LinkedIn to uncover a conversation about the job. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn Sales Navigator guy. I hope this is helpful for you.